Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Placement Drive PI. Today, I have another exciting job opportunity from Amazon for graduates. Amazon is currently hiring for the position of Transportation Representative under its Transportation Operations Center, also known as TOC. The most interesting part of this opportunity is that candidates with a bachelor's degree in any discipline can apply, and the joining mode is mentioned as virtual or work from home across selected locations. So, watch this video till the end because I'll explain the job role, eligibility criteria, required skills, responsibilities, preferred locations, and how you can apply. Let's get started. First, let's understand the role. The job title is Transportation Representative, and the job ID is 10434046. This opportunity is associated with Amazon's Transportation Operations Center. The TOC acts as a central command and control center for Amazon's transportation network. It helps ensure that products and freight move smoothly between vendors, fulfillment centers, carriers, and delivery hubs. As a transportation representative, you'll help monitor transportation operations and resolve issues that could impact deliveries. Now, let's talk about the two major areas of operations. The first is inbound operations. Here, you'll monitor the movement of freight from vendors to carriers and then to Amazon fulfillment centers. Your responsibility is to ensure that freight is picked up and delivered according to schedule. The second is outbound operations. Here, you'll monitor transportation from Amazon fulfillment centers to carrier hubs. You'll help ensure trucks leave fulfillment centers on time so that customer delivery commitments can be achieved. Now, let's discuss the major responsibilities. One important responsibility is stakeholder communication. You'll communicate with external partners such as carriers, vendors, and suppliers, as well as internal Amazon teams including retail, finance, software support, and fulfillment centers. Another major responsibility is data analysis and reporting. You'll extract and analyze data using tools such as Microsoft Excel, Access, SQL, and other internal systems. You'll also track important performance metrics and identify trends that can help improve transportation operations. Candidates may be required to prepare reports explaining weekly performance, variations from targets, operational problems, and potential solutions. You'll also identify transportation issues, escalate problems to the appropriate teams, and follow up until they are resolved. Real-time customer and stakeholder support is another important part of this position, so communication and problem-solving skills are very important. Now, let's discuss eligibility. Candidates should have a bachelor's degree in any discipline from a recognized university. Amazon is looking for candidates with strong written and verbal communication skills. Candidates should also have good knowledge of Microsoft Office applications, especially Excel. Knowledge of pivot tables, VLOOKUP, data modeling, and other Excel functions can be very useful for this position. Basic knowledge of SQL, logistics, transportation, and supply chain operations will also strengthen your profile. You should be comfortable working in a fast-paced environment and handling multiple responsibilities. Good problem-solving skills, attention to detail, customer handling ability, and the ability to work independently are also important. Now, let's talk about the work arrangement. According to the job information, the mode of joining is virtual or work from home across 10 preferred locations. These include Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, and Maharashtra. However, candidates should carefully check the official Amazon job posting for the latest work location and joining requirements before applying. Let's quickly summarize the opportunity. Company, Amazon. Role, Transportation Representative. Job ID, 10434046. Qualification, bachelor's degree in any discipline. Important skills include Excel, communication, data analysis, problem-solving, stakeholder management, and basic logistics or supply chain knowledge. Preferred joining locations include multiple states across India. If you're a graduate looking for an opportunity with Amazon and you're interested in operations, logistics, supply chain, data analysis, or customer support, this position is definitely worth checking out. Interested and eligible candidates should apply through the official Amazon Jobs portal. Check the application link provided in the description. Before applying, update your resume and highlight your Excel skills, communication skills, analytical abilities, academic projects, internships, and any experience related to customer service, logistics, operations, or data analysis. If you found this job update useful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Placement Drive PI for daily off-campus jobs, internships, work-from-home opportunities, and fresher hiring updates. Comment Amazon below if you're applying. Thank you for watching. All the very best for your Amazon application and interview. See you in the next video.